Hello you guys, how are you doing? Today we will be unboxing this Tom by TomTom, a new device, road alerts assistant. It can warn you for speed cameras, obstacles and traffic, and it's made in Europe. It's a small box, it's 11 centimeters on 14.5 centimeters and 2.4 centimeters. Here we can read, receive audio and visual alerts while driving. We will be unboxing this. And see what's inside of the box. Scan QR code to get started. In all languages. And here is the device. USB-C. And if you remove this, you can fit it on your dashboard. We'll see if there's something else in the box. Also a USB cable. On one side it's USB-C to put in the device. And here we have also USB-C and an adapter. So like that. That's all that comes into the box. So on this we can take away. So it's magnetic, like that. So that's a short unboxing video of this TomTom Road Alert Assistant. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.